guys, I saw something on a channel that I'll link below. And I think these are called pot pinchers. I have some in silicone, but it was a video about a guy making, you know, some to match your kitchen. So I cut out, or I've got 2 pieces of the Insel Bright here, and he cut out kind of an oval, and his video shows you how to do that. So, but basically, you know, you want it so that when you are using it, you know, you've got enough room there. And the thumb part can be a lot narrower. So the first thing I want to do, though, is give this some quilting. So I'm just going to quickly run some quilting lines on it. Now I have a second piece that I want to put on, and I also have these. So these will basically, we're looking at the top of it right now. This would be where my fingers would slide under and my thumb below. So I want to make sure I get this pinned on. Now the way I got these, let me go ahead and pin that and show you. Okay, so I cut 2 pieces out of some scrap paper. And the first one I used to measure my fabric and cut out my ovals. 2 of them. And then I had another one. You can cut these apart if you want. I just drew a line and then laid it down on my fabric. I'll just grab a piece here. I folded my fabric and laid it down on the fold and then cut around it. Well, here's the way I actually did it. I laid it down like this on the fold, and then I traced around it and cut it out. I did that on both ends. Okay, but again, you could just cut those apart. Alright, so now that we've got those cut apart, I did slide a piece of cotton batting in here, because just like when I made the other pot holders, this is on top of your hand. That's not what's going to be taking the brunt of the heat. This is going to be laying against the Insel Bright. So that's going to protect your palm. But on the top, it's really just for comfort, for softness, you know. So I've got this pinned on, and then we'll do the same thing with this one. If your fabric, like mine, is directional, you may want to make sure that, you know, in this case, the kitty is like this, straight up and down to where my hand would go in, and then it's the same where my thumb would go in. Okay, so now that these are pinned on here, we're going to put our right sides together, and we're just going to sew all the way around it. I will leave an opening to turn it, probably right between these 2 that I have pinned on. Okay, so you can see we've sewn our little oval. We've left a small space here to turn it. I'm going to go up inside here and pull my pins so that I don't get stuck when I'm trying to turn it. Just be careful, because you've just left yourself a small space. Right there. Okay, it was definitely, because I used 2 layers of Insel Bright, was hard to pull through that little hole. I did have to give myself another 1/8 of an inch or so there. So I'm going to go ahead and close that up and just do a quick stitch. Okay. And so now there's room for you to pinch. So whether it's a hot lid you're lifting off, or whether it's a Dutch oven where you would just be picking it up by the handles on each side, instead of having to get out a big bulky pot holder. So anyway, I have seen these. I actually have a little set of silicone ones that are about this wide, and well, about the size of this right here, actually, if you could imagine 2 of those bent over. There's nothing protecting, you know, the thumb on the outside. They're just little grippers. I want to say they're called pop pinchers. So anyway, these are really cute and handy. You could add a little loop if you wanted to hang them, but they're so small that these would just drop in any drawer. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I really like them. There's been a dozen times I just needed to maybe pick up a small sheet pan out of the oven even, where I just need to grab it real quick, and a pot holder's kind of big and bulky for that. So these little pinchers can be very useful. Okay, so I will link to his video. It's Tim Totten, and if you want to know how he came up with the measurements, but basically he was just looking for something that his fingers would fit in and his thumb to make the little pincher with. So anyway, you guys have a great week, and I'll see you later.